Hey guys, welcome back to Food and Travel with Festive Forever. This restaurant, which means the present vlog, is a requested one. Today we are going to visit Seaside Patio, which is located at Juhu. This restaurant is quite famous for its beach view since it is situated near at Juhu Beach.
Pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil.
And much known for its homely vibes. Now let's see what is there inside for us. Let's go. Alright guys, we are finally inside, and with this amazing beach view, we are going to enjoy our meal today. So I felt like मुझे थोड़ा Indian खाने का मन था. So today I have called for some Indian food. So the first thing that we have over here is this amazing chicken कढ़ाई. वैसे तो पनीर कढ़ाई बहुत ज़्यादा फेमस है, बट आई फील चिकन कढ़ाई भी उतनी ज़्यादा फेमस है. इट्स वेरी मच रेड इन कलर, एंड देन देर आर चिकन पीसेस आर डिलिशियस medium sized chicken pieces, and then this red curry. It's looking absolutely mouth watering. मतलब मेरा ना मुँह यहाँ पे already पानी पानी हो गया है. Let's go ahead and serve ourselves. A good amount of gravy. I'm gonna enjoy my delicious chicken kadai with this tandoori roti. It's a little burnt or what? I don't know. Let's go ahead and eat it. I'm so satisfied right now. Yummy. Punjabi food is like my favorite food, of course, after my Maharashtrian food. Okay, the food is tasty, but there is nothing unique about it. More or less you'll get it at any restaurant. If you go to any other restaurant, like any mediocre restaurant, there also you'll get the same thing. So there is nothing wow or unique about this dish, but then it's tasty. So if you're looking for just something tasty with the beach view, then this dish would definitely work for you. All those masalas which are required to make chicken kadhai, in fact the chicken pieces are very sufficient. It's not like 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. It's in good quantity. So the dish is quite tasty and good. Okay, now let's unveil something that is one of my favorite dish of all time. Here it is. I'm pretty much sure कि बहुत सारे लोग बिरयानी के फैन हैं. I am like this crazy fan of biryanis. Do you guys want me to do exclusive biryani video? चिकन का पीस लगता है, बिरयानी दिख तो अच्छी रही है. Yummy. Okay. थोड़ा रायता भी लेंगे.
Pas de soleil, pas de soleil.
The biryani is actually very tasty. सरप्राइजिंगली मुझे बहुत सारी जगह की बिरयानी पसंद नहीं आती है, बट इट्स नॉट द केस विद दिस बिरयानी. दिस बिरयानी इज़ एब्सोल्युटली टेस्टी. There are a lot of dry spices. I can taste a lot of cardamom. In fact, if you have it with curd, it's gonna just balance out everything, even the spices. It's little spicy, but बहुत ही बढ़िया taste है. I liked it how it's tasting. Chicken is properly cooked. And rice is very much fragrant. Masalas are balanced out, and ऐसा बहुत बार होता है. Then whenever you are having biryani, some places add a lot of masalas. Some places make it dry, but it's not the case over here. Actually, when you have the biryani, there will be a equal balance of masalas and chicken. Also, there are good pieces of chicken in this. Chicken is cooked properly. इसमें बहुत ही बढ़िया taste आ रहा है. In fact, surprisingly, I like चिकन बिरयानी मोर देन चिकन कढ़ाई. आई वॉज लाइक मेरे ऐसे दिमाग में आया दैट आई माइट नॉट लाइक चिकन बिरयानी दैट मच. आई एम डेफिनेटली enjoying माई चिकन बिरयानी विद दिस अमेजिंग व्यू. After my amazing experience, now it's time to rate this place on my festive meter. The place is very much mediocre. I think any sea view restaurants or hotels always charge more than the other restaurants or hotels. So generally, if you're coming here, you're mostly paying for the view. The food is very much nice and tasty. So it's like a combination of both the things, like it's the view and then it's the food. If you combine both the things together, your experience is going to be amazing. It's something that you might also get served at different restaurants. So in that ways, the restaurant is quite okay. Also, the view is very nice, but if you come in the afternoon, you're gonna feel very much hot. If you come in the night, then you might enjoy this view with some beer or some drinks and some delicious food. So guys, my experience was pretty much nice. So I'm gonna rate this place 7.5 out of 10 on my festive meter. The rating of this restaurant is primarily based on their beach view, and then comes the food, and pricing wise, of course, it's little pricey, but then again, you're paying for the view. So guys, that's all for today. I think there is nothing much to explain. Also, if you come to this place, don't forget to tag me on my Instagram, that is festive4ever4. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you're interested in cooking, then you can subscribe to my other channel called Festive Forever. So that's all for today. I'm gonna see you in my next vlog. Till then, live life festive style. Bye bye.